Welcome! In this guide, you will learn how to copy an angle using only a compass and a straightedge. This is a classic geometric construction. To copy an angle is to create a new angle that has the exact same measure as the original. It's a precise way to duplicate an angle's size without needing a protractor for measurement. For this construction, you only need two simple tools: a compass, which is used for drawing arcs, and a straightedge for drawing straight lines. First, you need an angle to copy. We will start with this one, which we can call angle ABC. Next, use your straightedge to draw a single, straight ray. This will form one of the sides of our new copied angle. We can label its endpoint P. Now go to your original angle. Place the point of the compass on the angle's vertex, B, and swing an arc so that it crosses both sides of the angle. Keeping the compass at the exact same width, move over to your new ray. Place the compass point on the endpoint, P, and draw a similar, large arc. Return to the original angle. Adjust your compass so that its point and pencil line up perfectly with the 2 points where your first arc intersected the angle's sides. This measures the angle's opening. Without changing your compass width, go back to your new construction. Place the compass point where the arc meets the ray and draw a small, second arc that intersects the first one. The final step is to use your straightedge. Draw a line that starts at the new angle's vertex, P, and goes directly through the point where your 2 arcs cross. And there you have it. The new angle you have constructed is a perfect copy of the original. This method guarantees that both angles have precisely the same measure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.